Donald Trump's tariffs on China have led automakers to scramble to keep production lines operational, resulting in an outcome contrary to the U.S. president's intentions. When Donald Trump announced his extensive reciprocal tariffs on nearly every country back in April, he promised that jobs in factories would return to the United States. Part of his goal was to make importing certain products so costly that companies would begin manufacturing them domestically. However, the opposite effect is occurring. 4 major automakers are urgently seeking ways to continue sourcing rare earth magnets, a crucial component of car motors primarily produced in China. Without these magnets, the companies fear that car production could halt within weeks. As reported by the Wall Street Journal on Wednesday, several car makers, both traditional and electric, are contemplating moving part of their manufacturing process to China. This could involve constructing electric motors in Chinese factories or shipping American-made motors to China for magnet installation. Trump's restrictions apply only to Chinese-made magnets and not to finished parts like fully assembled motors. The leaders of the Alliance for Automotive Innovation and MEMA, the Vehicle Suppliers Association, expressed concerns in a letter. They stated that while efforts are underway to strengthen supply chains and suppliers outside of China, this will take additional time and will not resolve the immediate shortage of essential elements needed for automotive components produced domestically. China had agreed to reduce export controls on rare earth magnets as part of a 90-day tariff pause with the United States. However, Donald Trump has since accused China of delaying license approvals for magnets, while broader trade negotiations between the two nations appear to have reached a complete standstill. Donald Trump expressed his frustration over the trade talks early Wednesday morning. He mentioned his liking for President Xi Jinping of China, but described him as very tough and extremely difficult to negotiate with on Truth Social.